Guys, it's me, Bonnie from Freddy and Friends. Yeah, we changed our name because this fraud right here, he's copying us YouTube name. Yeah, he copied us and he did Freddy's Corners when that's our original name. Like, you can't do that. That's just copying off of us. We made up the name by ourselves. We made up Freddy's Corners. We tried to do Grandma Freddy's Corners, but it didn't work. So yeah. And that's all I want to say. Just please follow my TikTok account. It's TRexJordan123. It's been mostly above my head the whole entire time. So yeah, go follow me on. Wait, no, it's not on above my head. I changed my mind. It's not gonna be above my head, but yeah, just please go follow me on TikTok and please don't do that person. He's a copier off of us. He makes the people on my YouTube account, TikTok account, follow the wrong person. I mean, subscribe to the wrong person. So yeah, we really want to do a party about 10 subscribers. That'll just make all of our day if you just get 10 subscribers. Oh yeah, look at my fluffy tail. Well, just please don't. He is a copier. He is the wrong person to follow. You do not want to subscribe to him, not follow. I watched like a couple seconds of that person's video. If you're watching this person that copied off of me, then we're coming after you. We will report you. We will hunt you down. I'm just kidding. No, we're not going to hunt you down. But because you copied off of our YouTube name, making me change my profile picture, our profile picture, and our name just makes us mad. Like, super mad. Like, why do you have to do that? Like, you copy off of us. And we mostly lose subscribers. Like, I'm pretty sure earlier we had like 6 subscribers. But now people don't subscribe anymore. Like, serious. Like, do not do that. Like, that is being a fraud. A fraud means basically copying off of people and not doing the right thing. So do not copy off of people's YouTube's name, please. That's just being very rude. And yeah, I just want to say, go to Gabe's World and SlyPie. They are the best FNAF YouTubers out there. Okay, a little commercial for you. Going right now in a few seconds. Just right now, look at the 4. It's me, Colonel Freddy. I came out of nowhere. You gotta look for the 4 for a few seconds. This is a commercial. It is about, please go subscribe to, guys, please go subscribe to Gabe's World and SlyPie. They are literally the best FNAF YouTuber out there. Like FNAF plushies, Five Nights at, they do the best videos. So please subscribe to their please subscribe to their YouTube account. And yeah, that is the end of this commercial. You can look at the 4 for a few seconds.